Today I'm going to take you to a real-life hilltop, just like on The Walking Dead. Stay tuned. The TV show The Walking Dead debuts a place called the Hilltop. It's actually kind of one of my favorite locations that they debut because of the fact that this type of area or this type of building and location would actually still be very usable in a post-apocalyptic world. In Bowling Green, Ohio, just off of Route 6, you'll find the Wood County Historical Society, an awesome museum made to preserve the way things used to be. And it really does a good job at it. One of the things right away I noticed as I walked around was how usable these things and the items in this place would still be in a post-apocalyptic world. Now, of course, this is a museum. The inside's set up with all kinds of educational things about the time, which that in itself could be helpful. In present day, this is a museum. It's set up with all kinds of educational items to help educate you about the way things were back then. But even this could be useful if you needed to educate yourself on how to operate things, how to live in a time without electricity, and so much more. The indoor tour comes with a small fee, but it's well worth it. All kinds of great information, and yearly they change their themes with different exhibits. However, the outside is 100% free, and it is just full of history all in itself. I loved walking around and looking inside the old tool sheds. There are things there that if you were living in a time where electric and fuel was not accessible, you could still fashion together and work and do things much like they did things back then, or much like they do things at the Hilltop on The Walking Dead now. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, please give it a thumbs up, and hey, check out some of my other content. Do you ever want to learn how to throw a hatchet?
A hatchet?
Yeah, a hatchet. Check out the video, follow the slide card at the top of the screen. Until our trails meet again, I hope all your adventures are awesome. Wanishi for watching.